Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jaylimer Alano, and together with RD Udi, we will talk about the KTEA, or the Kaufman Test of Educational Achievement. So, for brief introduction, the Kaufman Test of Educational Achievement, or the KTEA, is a widely used assessment tool that is designed to measure academic skills in individuals on the age range to from 4 to 25. So this test it evaluates key areas such as the reading, the mathematics, written language, and also oral language. And this test, it was developed by Alan and Nadiman Kaufman in the year 1985. And the KTEA is a trusted resource in educational, clinical, and also in research settings, kasi it helps identify learning strengths and weaknesses. It also diagnose learning disabilities, and it also guide intervention planning.
Good day, ma'am and everyone. My name is Ardi Abbas Udi, and I will be the reporter of structure, applications, and comparison of Kaufman Test of Educational Achievement. So let me proceed to my topic. Structure. The Kaufman Test of Educational Achievement is structured to assess a student's academic abilities in different subject areas. It consists of subtests, forms, and administration guidelines. This structure design ensures that the KT3 is effectively evaluates a student's academic performance, help diagnose learning disabilities, and tracks educational progress over time. Subtests. Subtests are the different parts of the Kaufman Test of Educational Achievement that measures a specific academic skills. Each subtest focuses on a particular subject area to assess a student's strengths and weaknesses. Each subtest provides insight into a specific area of academic performance. The result help teachers and specialists identify learning strengths and challenges. Reading subtests. Letter and word recognition. Test how well a student can recognize and pronounce words. Reading comprehension measures the ability to understand and interpret what is read. Math subtest. Math concepts and applications assess problem-solving skills like understanding numbers, measurements, and word problems. Math computation evaluates basic math calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Written language subtest. Spelling tests a student's ability to spell word correctly. Written expression measures writing skills such as forming sentences, organizing ideas, and writing logically. Oral language subtest. Listening comprehension assesses the ability to understand spoke language. Oral expression measures how well a student can verbally express thoughts and ideas.
So, the KTEA is known for its strong psychometric properties, ensuring accurate and reliable results. It demonstrates high reliability, meaning na it it consistently produces stable scores over time and across different administrations. The test is also it also has strong validity, meaning na it effectively measures the academic skills it claims to assess. And additionally, the KTEA is standardized using age and grade based norms for that allows for meaningful comparisons to peers.
Applications. The applications of the Kaufman test of educational achievement refer to the various ways that the test is used to assess and support academic performance. It is applied in education, clinical settings, and research. So, to identify students' strengths and weaknesses, diagnose learning disabilities, and study academic achievement trends, these applications help educators, psychologists, and researchers make informed decisions about interventions, accommodations, and instructional strategies. Education helping students learn better. Teachers and specialists use the KT to find out which subjects a student is good at and where they need extra help. Example, if a student struggles with math but does well in reading, it can be given multiple times to track progress and see if a student is improving or if new support is needed. The test results help create personalized learning plans, which means teachers can adjust lessons or provide extra resources based on a student's needs. Clinical diagnosing learning disabilities. Psychologists and educational specialists use the test to identify learning disabilities such as dyslexia, difficulty with reading and spelling, dyscalculia, dyscalculia, difficulty with math concepts and calculations, dysgraphia, difficulty with writing including spelling and organizing ideas. Schools and specialists also use KT results to determine whether a student qualifies for special education services or accommodations like extra time on tests or specialized instructions. Research studying academic achievement. Researchers use the test to analyze how students perform in different academic areas across different age groups, school types, or learning environments. It helps study how learning disabilities or teaching methods affect academic performance so that better educational programs and strategies can be developed. In short, the KT is a valuable tool for educators, psychologists, and researchers to support student learning, diagnose challenges, and improve teaching strategies.
For its strength and limitations, the KTEA it offers several strengths including its comprehensive coverage of academic skills, flexible administration options, and it also has robust psychometric properties. But however, it has some limitations like potential challenges in addressing cultural or linguistic diversity and the need for trained professionals to administer and interpret the test accurately. But despite those limitations, the KTEA remains a valuable tool for academic assessment.
Comparison. This section compares the Kaufman test of educational achievement with two other popular academic achievement tests, the Woodcock-Johnson test of achievement and the Wechsler individual achievement test. These tests all measure academic skills, but each has unique features that make them useful in different situations. So the summary of the comparison of Kaufman test of educational achievement is measures core academic skills like reading, math, writing, and oral language, while Woodcock-Johnson provides a broad assessment of academic achievement and cognitive abilities. Wechsler Individual Achievement Test is a detailed academic assessment used with IQ tests to identify learning differences. KT is designed for students and young adults, while Woodcock-Johnson covers a wide age range. Forms include comprehensive, brief, standard, and extended versions. KT takes 30 to 90 minutes, while Wessler Individual Achievement Test takes 45 to 90 minutes. So that would be all for my report. Thank you.
And so to conclude, the KTEA or the Kaufman Test of Educational Achievement, it is a critical tool for assessing academic achievement across educational, clinical, and research settings. Its ability to identify learning strengths and weaknesses, also diagnose learning disabilities and monitor progress, makes it indispensable for educators and clinicians. With its combination of flexibility, reliability, and comprehensive coverage, the KTEA continues to play a vital role in supporting student success and informing intervention strategies. So that's all. Thank you for listening.